way they would want to, because they don't get that particular environment, right? Now, so being very honest and saying that I really want to work on this thing, but at certain point I feel I lack somewhere, and that's the reason I don't want to go for it. Don't go for it, go for Hindi. But what matters again is content. And please, I've seen this inferiority complex in people who could not speak English. Like, it's a language. Communication is a skill. English is a language. You cannot mix two things together, right? Now, just because you fumble or just because you pronounce a certain word in a wrong way, that does not mean your answer was not good. पहले ही दिमाग में रख दिया मैम मैं तो क्योंकि इंग्लिश ही नहीं बोल पाती हूँ तो मेरा तो नहीं होगा. Come on, you have equal chances. And at least in Alien, I don't think there's a discrimination like this. But yes, what happens with English is you get a bonus language. तो क्या हो जाता है, एक लैंग्वेज की जगह आपको कितनी लैंग्वेज आ रही है? दो लैंग्वेज. और अगर इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो आपको कोई वो लैंग्वेज नहीं आ रही जो हमारी नहीं है. So stop feeling inferior about not knowing a foreign language. हाँ, मुझे जब हिंदी नहीं आती थी मुझे बहुत शर्म आती थी. Despite Hindi not being a national language, बहुत बार हिंदी को लोग national नहीं देते. India has no national language, right? So, but I think you should be ashamed of not knowing a language which people speak in maturity, rather than feeling inferior about speaking, not being able to speak a language which is not so common, right? Okay, so about Dhyan Bhatia, so in short, it's like about feeling really confident inside, despite people trying to pull you down, or giggling, or laughing. So please don't look at people, right? सबसे बड़ा जो fear है, उसको हम कैसे मिटा सकते हैं? Like हमको डर लगता है अंधेरे में. How do we get rid of that fear? Tell me. By turning on light. अरे वाह, मैं तो इतना डरती हूँ, I could not even reach the switchboard. तो हम फिर कैसे, how do we overcome that fear? बचपन में सबको लगता है ना, ऐसा नहीं लगता अंधेरे में अचानक से कोई हाथ आ जाएगा. By trying? नहीं, मैं मतलब कोई ट्राई नहीं करता. क्या होता है, कभी कभी लाइट चली जाती है और हम अंधेरे में रुक जाते हैं और हमको रियलाइज होता है अंधेरे में तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. And that fear was actually created by our mind, you know, कुछ भी नहीं था. दो मेरा वो डर अभी भी नहीं निकला है, you know, at times, right? So basically, we actually overpower or overcome this fear by actually, yes, pushing ourselves into that fear. अब भाई stage phobia, stage fear, लोगों को देख के कांपना, not being able to speak, अब ये डर कैसे निकल सकता है? By of course coming and speaking in front of people. फिर क्या हो जाएगा? आप fumble कर लोगे, तो गौरव आके चाटा थोड़ी मारेगा. क्या, you know, it's not going to happen. Indeed, people are going to love you if you're trying, and trust me, there are more positive people than negative people. आपको लाइफ में एक दो लोग क्योंकि ऐसे मिल जाते हैं who made fun of you, you start feeling कि यार majority लोग ऐसे होते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. Every one of you is so positive, and you know people would promote each other. एक दो लाइफ में ऐसे लोग मिल गए जो आपके वॉइस पे हंस गए, आपकी किसी भी चीज पे हंस गए. Trust me, they're like 1% in the world. ठीक है? Don't realize that everyone is going to be calm. Now see, you will have to get into it. Now I really want this session to be interactive, and I want you girls to participate. And please feel free. मेरा इतना ज्ञान मारो. I don't want it to be a normal session just because of speaking. Yes, please do that, right? See, I'm one of you, and again I'm saying I'm not here to judge. Last में शायद जाते समय मैं एक लड़की का नाम बता दूँ कि कौन मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगे. I'm just here to really bring the best out of you. इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम हो, बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड से आई स्पीक इन हिंदी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं खुद को हिंदी में ज्यादा अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर पाऊँ. बट प्लीज बी कॉन्फिडेंट इवन व्हेन यू स्पीकिंग हिंदी. आई एम मिक्सिंग द लैंग्वेज बिकॉज यू नो that block in your mind that English makes things sound better. It's not the case, right? Speak valid points, speak confidently, have graceful expressions. इंग्लिश में कचरा भी बोलोगे तो ट्रस्ट मी पीपल वुड लुक हियर एंड देयर. एंड हिंदी में भी मेक वैलिड पॉइंट्स, यू आर गोइंग टू ग्लो, राइट? सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम समवन हु लुक्स फॉर कंटेंट. आई नीड ब्यूटी विल ब्रिंग. आई रियली वांट यू पीपल टू नो व्हाट यू आर स्पीकिंग and be updated. You could speak well only when you know what's going around, not just about the best highlighter or the best matte lipstick. We are women, we need to keep a balance of everything. If I know which is the best product in like cosmetics, I need to know why people are protesting against this farm bill, right? इतना खतरनाक मैं नहीं पूछूंगी because I know अभी मैंने पूछ लिया अचानक सबकी policies here, but trust me, when you go to Femina, right, when I trained Aditi, I knew the level of questions you would be handling. It's not just about the normal questions. Oh, you three girls are participants? No, you're not. I'm so sorry.
Last year party winners.
Is it? I'm so sorry. I could hardly know. Oh, okay, hi. They look so grown. That's what I was wondering.
Dipali Neruka last year winner. First runner-up, second runner-up.
Oh, okay. I have hardly met them. How are you girls? And you?
They were there in your class last year also.
Yeah, I'm not. I can see very hazel faces. क्योंकि इतनी light होती है, so probably. And you know, makeup does it all. Maybe probably you guys looked a little different that day, and today a little different. Okay. All right. So should I call them first? Or they'll be like, "Nahi, ma'am, hum to aapko dega." Yes, ma'am. You can come, right? Yes. So guys, चलो अब एकदम relaxed हो जाते. Let's enjoy this session. ठीक है? ये session किस लिए है? So that we can actually perform better the real day. So आज I'm not going to judge. Make the best out of me because I wish I could have taken these sessions for 2-3 days, but unfortunately I won't be able to come for another 2-3 days. But I really want this day to be memorable, right? And let's enjoy it. ठीक है? अब ये बोल के मैं इतने tough questions पूछने वाली हूँ कि सारी enjoyment would go away. चलो, let's start it up. Let's voluntarily. I want one girl to come here voluntarily. Oh, come.
A lot of people are watching. Don't break this. कभी किसी का क्लोज चलेगा, कभी कुछ. Okay.
So these are questions basically we prepare because see, like I said, Femina there's no fixed pattern. I'm not preparing you girls just for elite. Of course, elite is the starting. But what Gaurav wants, Gaurav, we don't want girls just to succeed here. हमारा destination तो वही है ना?
All the Miss World.
Of course. तो हम अपना level धीरे-धीरे बढ़ा रहे हैं. We look for girls not just at this platform, but for girls we want to see ahead. I became famous because of Aditi. Gaurav, of course, was famous, but became way more to reach that. So I trained Jyoti, Mona, Arshina, Rubal, who else? I'm forgetting. Muskan Kataria. Muskan Kataria. Yeah, so these are all girls and they were banned.
Now Varsha is this one also.
Yeah, Varsha.
What was Spritzvilla?
Spritzvilla, yes, she's preparing. Spritzvilla के question अलग ही level के थे, right? So I was like, she would ask me question, man, इसका कोई धांसू answer, then I would be like, so she'd be like, your wildest fantasy? I was like, my man didn't talk about it, so I'll have to go and ask him, right? Okay, so Femina is not going to ask you about your wildest fantasy, but they're very witty. They might ask you something about what you find sexy in a man. And you'll have to be elegant because they want to see even the weirdest question, how confident, how elegant you sound. Okay, एक और चीज before I question, I'm sorry to keep you waiting, right? See, have some social, not agendas, but something you really feel and you work on, right? Because आगे जाके एकदम 2 दिन पहले you won't be able to associate yourself with some social issues, right? Have really a will to work on a certain social issue if you want to move ahead. क्योंकि फिर क्या होता है 4 दिन पहले मैम एक NGO बताइए ना जिसमें हम जाके काम कर लें. That's not going to help you. Really feel for an issue and work on it. ठीक है? What's your name? Isha. Isha. Okay. So Isha, come on, take this. I'll be standing there in the village. Okay. So your question is, what do you wish would be socially acceptable for men to do that is currently not considered men?
Okay, thank you for the question. So I think this is in my opinion that there are a lot of people in this industry who are gays. So I want them to be confident and I want कि लोग उन्हें accept करें the way they are, the way they dress up. If they want to wear sarees, they can do that. They want to do makeup like girls. There are a lot of men who feel underconfident because of this one thing, that how people will judge them and will they accept them even. So I want कि जो लड़के हैं वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट रहे कि वो जो भी पहने, जो भी करें, उसमें they take pride in that because that is the way they are. Like we dress up, we take pride in that. So I feel कि जो जैसा है उसे वैसे ही रहने दिया जाए and they take pride in that.
Great. Who else is going and answering the same question? Who feels yes, it was very good. I'll review it, huh? But like later. This Nanda, it was really nice. See, I want voluntarily people going there. अगर आप यहाँ बैठे रह जाओगे, मैं चली जाऊँगी, फिर मौका नहीं मिलने वाला. So please go there. Nervous भी हो तो let me see why you're getting nervous. That's my job, right?
Hello everyone and thank you ma'am for the question. I believe that one thing that should be normalized in our society for the man that is not considered so manly is cross-dressing and their washrooms. Like dressing and whom you are interested in, whom you choose to love isn't dependent on any gender or any clothes or any lipstick you wear. For an example, lipsticks, the men who wear lipsticks are not considered manly and they are taunted, they are bitched about that. And I think that should be changed because no one can judge you who you are. It's who you became from inside. And every human being have a right that they should be whomever they want. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
मैं गांव से बिलोंग करती हूँ तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि लाइक जो फीमेल होती है ना वही वर्क करती है लाइक घर का और मतलब जैसे मेन होते हैं उनके जो खुद का सेल्फ वर्क होता है वो भी लाइक वॉशिंग देयर क्लोथ्स वो सब जो औरतें होती हैं वो करती है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि खुद का काम खुद करना और अपने घर को मतलब सही से रखना सफाई करना ये सब काम जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ औरत ही करे और इस चीज को नॉर्मलाइज करना जरूरी है कि मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ कैन वर्क देयर और खुद जैसे मैन है तो वो खुद का काम खुद कर सकते हैं खुद का काम और मतलब जैसे घर का भी कोई दूसरा काम है वो सारा काम कर सकते हैं तो ये कोई मतलब जेंडर बेस्ड वर्क नहीं है कि आप जेंडर बेस्ड करोगे कि लाइक ये वर्क औरत को करना चाहिए ये वर्क मैन को करना चाहिए तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
So I want to tell this personally. Like we are 3 siblings, and sometimes my mother works in an NGO, and she works like, matlab in this lockdown, she's like 15 days away from the home. So she's staying there. So it is my father who's taking care of us, and beautifully. Let me tell you, I take pride in that. He is doing such a great job. He's at home with us, and I think when I see him. He's a little conscious because of course society, but I want to make this that this is very fine, this is very okay that women can work and the fathers can support, the man can support at the house and take care of.
See, bhai, dekho, you girls need to come and participate. Chalo, give it to her. They're so Gaurav, they're really nice. I remember the very first time. Yeah, sure. Well, see, Gaurav, I wish I didn't have this less time and I could spend more time here. Like, sure, go and stand. ठीक है इसके बाद अच्छा मैं एक बार क्वेश्चन समझा कम स्टैंड नाउ सी व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन see in life you don't get a lot of time make your answers really short the question is one thing that you really want to become acceptable in the society which is not taken very manly now you will have to listen to the question very properly right which is not taken very manly all right and don't stretch your answers because you know you cannot तो राधिका the question is ऐसी कोई भी चीज जिसको अभी manly नहीं माना जाता but you really want that thing to become manly right and see we need to be like really specific about answer because on stage you're just probably going to get a minute आप पूरा explain it and when you're trying too hard to explain things at a longer way that shows that you yourself is not confident or you know you're looking for that right answer. Be very very confident over shorter periods of time, right? Because you cannot stretch your answer. So अब जितने भी answers लेंगे maximum a minute. But how long do you guys allow for the answers to be?
1 minute.
1
Last
minute.
60
right?
seconds.
So 1 minute. ठीक है? चलो let's start from ऐसे start करें. Okay, you have the next. Okay, start.
Okay, so one thing I want to normalize is, ma'am, that expressing their emotions. If you're crying, if you're feeling weak, it is okay. if you are crying on a woman's shoulder, on your girlfriend's shoulder, or your wife's shoulder, because I've seen my father, he's not expressing and he hides his emotion, and that's what he feels that I'm strong if I won't feel, if I won't express my crying, and if I won't express that how weak I am feeling right now. And they say that this is very manly and men should always be strong. It's okay to cry, it's okay to feel. Thank you.
Very nice. Keep your answers very formal. Though मैं बात कर रही हूँ, but when you girls are answering, it should not sound like, don't go very easy with it. Because we're not communicating, girls, like when she said, एक तो की नहीं लाना. See, being very particular about, you're not talking to me right now, huh? You're answering it. So, you know, you have to be like, that happens. That's a normal human behavior. What happens when we really start expressing ourselves? You know, we start getting those gestures of, है ना, ठीक है ना, फिर की, मतलब ये हुआ. So don't let the answers get a little normal. You need to remember that you're formally answering it, right? You were very good, but you know what you could have done? You could have not made it sound a little normal in the end, right? Speak with grace, and when you're answering, you should roar. Not literally roar, but then it should sound like you're answering. It should come from within, and be very selective about the words, because एक बार कुछ ऐसा निकल गया ना, you can't go back while answering. You can't say, you know, that becomes the biggest problem. Like if I answer something, if I'm answering right now, if I fumble, फिर उसको cover up करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, and that becomes the biggest problem, right? So be very particular about what you're speaking, but let it come from here, and you know, stand tall and answer. Like she answered, I think a man needs to cry. I think one thing that needs to change is how our society really stems men who cry as weak. I believe men should have equal rights to cry and express themselves as much as the women has. So the one thing I would want to change is getting the privilege for men to cry as much as they can, and still looking at them with a lens that they are equally manly to a macho man. Thank you. ठीक है? So this is something that you have to sound like very formal, still graceful. और गुस्से में नहीं बोल देना कोई बोला भाई. I think that, you know, that will kill the grace. You see, we are women, we need to sound graceful even when we are actually putting something very powerful. And we can do that. You can sound powerful yet graceful, right? So I know there's a lot to balance, but this is how things were changed. Okay, yes, ma'am. We had the same last one. Same answer.
Question change
Okay,
करने
all
का.
those questions I've answered can go back. Yeah. So now these questions, huh? Very मुझे पता होता तुम लोग आजकल बहुत स्मार्ट हो. YouTube से why you should win time answers तैयार हुए रहते हैं. I don't really want to ask those questions. पर Femina ने उनका questions पूछा है. I was prepared. We can try. Yes, I'm sure you can. I'm really, Gaurav, I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Very, very happy. Clap for yourself. Don't hesitate. Love yourself. Like if you won't love yourself, or कोई तुमको over smart नहीं बोलने वाला. Of course, there's a line between being over smart and smart. But at least when you need to love yourself and feel proud about yourself, right? Okay, who's answering? Yeah, Mike. I'm not going to get into national policy because आप लोगों ने जब मुझे capital नहीं बताया. I could know. I'm not going to ask about national policy. But girls, be prepared about these things, because when you go to that level, they believe a woman is a package. Right? I said if she knows about makeup and heels, she equally knows about what's happening around. So you need to be updated. Right? मैं दोबारा बोलूँ, please English का load मत लो. But please don't mix language. I'll tell you one thing. When you say I'm going to speak in Hindi, stick to Hindi. When you say you're going to speak in English, stick to English. When you mix it now, ऐसा लगता है taking the privilege. Yeah, it sounds informal. So they're taking the privilege. ऐसे तो बोला कि मैं हिंदी में जवाब दूँगी. And their comfort zone है तो English boys English में बोलो, Hindi of course. But don't switch suddenly to, you know, a line. Or at least fillers, better use करो fillers. What are fillers? What are fillers? Like because I understand when you're there or when you're here and you know people are looking at you, the inner tendency tends to come, and you know you want to get into that comfort zone of key